In this video, I will guide you on how to connect Alexa to iPhone. Alexa, a virtual assistant, is used to control smart speakers such as the Echo Dot, Echo Studio, and Echo Dot. The Alexa app can also be used on iPhones, even if you don't own an Amazon device. Amazon Alexa allows you to create an Echo smart speaker and pair your iPhone to a smart speaker using Bluetooth. How to use Alexa for iPhone. Get the Amazon Alexa app from the Apple App Store on your iPhone. Tap OK in the pop-up menu to enable Bluetooth. Register for your Amazon account. Tap Continue to accept Amazon's terms. To set up a device, tap Yes or No. Tap to choose who you are from the available options. Tap Continue to confirm your first and last names. Tap Allow to allow Alexa to access your contacts. Tap Later to skip this step. Follow the prompts on screen to set Alexa up. This includes teaching Alexa how to speak. Tap Skip to skip any step in the setup process. You can enable Alexa by saying Alexa or tapping the blue Alexa icon near the top of your screen. Then, speak your request. To type your request, you can tap the keyboard icon. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel for getting new information in future. Thank you.